We stand here today to remember the amazing times we had with the great Alfred Pennyworth. He was the best parrot a man, dog, doge thing could have asked for. He was so green, like a dream. He could fly so fast. But unfortunately, his time has ended, and he is left. Ma, do you have anything to say?
As a matter of fact, I do. I am not a formal person, and I never prepare any speeches because I feel it is offensive. I don't really mean it as much as I do when I say it formally. I did not know Alfred personally, and I did not see them much. I did see them a couple times, but not really. But I did see them in a couple of your videos, and I did hear great things of Alfred. And so, even though I did not know them personally, I stand here to pay respects to what I know was a great bird.
I love you, Alfred, and I'm so sorry you have to say goodbye.
Your fucking messages. In Minecraft, open the chat, read the messages.
I fucking saw it ruined the fucking mood. We're at a funeral, you bitch. But fine, okay, he can go. He can fucking go, okay?
Okay, say your piece, say your piece.
Just let him go. Go, go.
Okay, so I am whatever your name, brother. I did not really know person, but from what I have heard, you are a great animal, and it seemed as if you were almost more than a pet to Captain Mel. And to thank you for letting me join. Now I will take my leave respectfully.
Okay, that was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. This was really nice.
Good job, good job.
Glad we did this. I feel a lot better. Goodbye, Alfred. Goodbye. Apollo, what the fuck did you just do? What the? You fucking moved some. Oh wait, no, he placed that block. Can't, hang it. I'll always visit you, Alfred. Especially on your birthday. I know you really like those.